How to convert PDF to QR code. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your preferred browser and then search for PDF to QR and simply tap on this first one. Now all you have to do is upload your PDF file here and then customize and download your QR. So it's this simple. You can also create your WhatsApp QR, YouTube QR, Facebook, emails, and many more using this website. So the website is me-qr.com. All you have to do is type me-qr.com and you will land in that interface. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.